welcome back. Today we are actually going to a wedding, but it's in Everett, Washington, and since we're traveling over there, we actually have Funko over there. If you are a fan of those pop figures, then that is where they make them, and it's this really cool store that we just want to take you guys along and show you. If you ever come out this way, or you're in that area, or you live out here and you have no idea that's there, we're going to take you along, see if you like it, if it's somewhere you want to go one day. Made it to Funko. Look at that, you guys. It's so cute. You see him, Jay? They're actually closed also Mondays and Tuesdays. They have not updated this yet, so make sure you look online before you come down here because it will be a wasted trip. We have done that before. Once you enter through the doors of Funko, let's just say every corner is fun. There's just so much to do. There's great photo opportunities anywhere you look. It's great. This place, it has something for everyone at every age, because not only do they have new things that are coming out, movies and characters, but they have things from when we were growing up of all different ages. So definitely check this place out. You won't want to miss it. You guys, when you're here, the prices are so much cheaper than in a regular store. I think they're only like $10 depending on which one you get. I'll have to ask Joelle, but we'll find out pricing. Oh my gosh, my childhood. Wetmore Forest is so cute. This is Funko's original characters. They are unique and it's just so sweet. I love how they're forest related. They have these little Snapsy characters. They kind of remind me of LOL, but animals. But I really do like it in here. They have a lot of unique things and the characters, Jalen loved it. They have a lot of fun things in there for the kids to do too. So do check this area out. I wouldn't skip out on any area of Funko. Yeah, let me see your watch. Cool watch, dude. Go, Jay. Whoa, maybe Jay's got, look at, oh my gosh. Does he actually know what he's doing? You guys remember this? Look at this. Oh my gosh. Growing up, this is what I loved. These are the things I loved. Oh my gosh, she does look like Groot. I just realized that. So since the last time we came here, with inflation, they did raise their prices. They originally were $10, but now for the standard ones, they're $12. And that goes for all the prices. Everything has been raised, unfortunately. One of the funnest things about Funko is all the great photo opportunities that they have with their more than giant life-size characters. They have a huge Batman car that you're able to sit down in and take pictures, buttons that you can press in the back, but of course it doesn't do anything. It's just fun for the kids. So it's definitely a great place that you can just let your kids walk around and touch things. Everything's really heavy and can't fall over, so you don't have to be too cautious or careful. Whoa, Jordan! Cool! Simple things that make my child happy. my gosh, you guys, they have so many options. Like, everyone can be happier. You're out of this world. That's adorable. I see Moana and Frozen. Gotta come here. It's so cute. It's fun. Like, Jalen loves it. There's so many little things that the kids can be involved. Totally recommend it. Next Disney trip. So cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, my favorite Disney movie is Aladdin, if you didn't know. They have backpacks here that I have never seen. I love it. All right, for my Disneyland fans, it's a small world. Look at this. They have little characters. They have things from the Haunted Mansion. Oh, it's so cute. You can even find like Donald on the Matterhorn. Then here is the castle. So cute. The Harry Potter area is small, but it does not disappoint. It's like a miniature version at Universal. It's so cute. I love all the merchandise. They went all out with this one. We have another great photo opportunity. Look at this. It's a tough pick between my favorite area being the Marvel area or the Star Wars, because both are so cool and well put together. And I mean, Marvel and Star Wars are pretty awesome. But I love Disney too, but I do believe one of those are my favorite. I couldn't tell you which one though. Which area would be your favorite? Leave us a comment below. Oh my gosh, you guys, did you love WandaVision? If you did, look at how cute this is. It's like a Halloween party or something at her house. What are you looking at?
It's got lights and sound.
Really? Yeah. Cute. I have not yet done this, but Funko offers you the option to make your own pop figure at the Pop Factory. It's really cute. You go ahead and you set it up how you want it. Unfortunately, I was trying to show you guys here and it doesn't show you like at all. So I did not end up going through with it, but you get to customize it, make it look like you or somebody and give it to them as a gift, and it's just really cute and fun to walk through. And also, Carl's Bakery and Cafe has really great little pastries. Don't skip out on that. So here's our cute bag that when you purchase, this is what you get it in. It's really nice, reusable bag. We ended up getting Jalen Spider-Man. Super cute. Oh, he's Iron Spider. That's neat. Is that new? I just don't know, guys. I don't know. And Joel got Kylo Ren. Super neat. I did not get anything, but it's mostly for the kids and for me. If I got anything, I'd probably get a bag or something. It's super, I love those Disney bags. Well, there was so much traffic on the way down here. We are not gonna be late, but we are on our way now to the wedding. We left, we had a lot of fun. Jalen did not want to leave. He's eating a snack right now, and then I have to get the boys changed in the car once we get there because they're gonna be in their wedding photos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun making it. That place, you could spend a couple hours in there just looking at everything. It's just so fun. You feel like a kid. I definitely recommend going there. Don't forget to check it out, City of Everett. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.